On the delay of Vice
Hello!
President Sara Duterte's impeachment.
Magandang araw po sa atin lahat, mga minamalang kababayan. Kababayan is yung mga batikan, kagaya ng mga batikan po sa mga impeachment na yan, hindi yung si Bato de la Rosa lang ang pinapanood mo. Kasi Bato de la Rosa, maling-mali ang ginawa niya. That is not in the Constitution, labag sa Konstitusyon. Panoorin natin si Monsod,
Trial. And tonight we seek the insights of one of the framers of our 1987 Constitution. Good evening.
May gawa. Isa sa may gawa sa 1987 Constitution. Panigurado, matanda na to. Okay? Panoorin natin.
And welcome to the big story, Attorney Christian.
Wait lang. Wait lang po, tangina. Pwede na yan. Tangina. Pwede na. Ano sabi ni Kamunzud? Ito sabi niya.
Monsod, thank you for coming.
Good evening.
Well, Attorney, what do you make of this resolution now seeking a dismissal of the impeachment complaint?
Well, Ayan, it will not succeed. This Constitution is very clear that once the articles of impeachment comes from the House, that the Senate should forthwith proceed.
Dapat noon
Very
pa yan
clear.
Sino ba dapat ang pakinggan mo? Si Escudero o eto? Ina. Magkaalaman na kasi yan. Once na na-transmit na yan sa Senado, in-impeach na ng mga mahigit 200 kongresista na representative po ng mga Pilipino sa kanya-kanyang mga probinsya. Once na pumirma sila dyan, boto ng mga Pilipino yan. Kaya nga sinabing representative di ba? So, in-impeach na ng mga representante ng mga Pilipino. Okay? Pinirmahan na nila yung resolution na nag-i-impeach kay Sara Duterte. And let the people nag-decide na po ang mga Pilipino. Okay? Kaya ituloy na yan. Kasi nakabinbin pa yan 2 buwan, 3 buwan na yan. Bakit pa hindi ituloy? Kung paspasan nyo na yan at magkaalaman, convict o acquit, walang problema. At least sinimulan. Hindi yung puta release na yan. Ang dami nyo pang dada. Pinainurong mo pa si Escudero yung pagbasa ng article of impeachment. Ginawa mo pang June 11 and yet gagawin mo na naman July 11. So, buwan-buwan mong dinidelay, cheese? Fuck! Buwanan ba ang delay nun, cheese? Ang 3 buwan, 4 na buwan is enough. Enough. Spell. That is enough, cheese Escudero. Sabi na nga po mismo ni Atty. Monsod na may gawa ng konstitusyon. Isa sa may gawa ng konstitusyon. Forthwith nga forthwith. Pinagbigyan ka na ng 4 na buwan, cheese Escudero, tapos inurong mo pa rin. Ano ba ang kalukuhan yan, cheese? Magkano ba nangyari? Dalawa lang yan magkano nangyari o takot sa pangyayari?
but they may have the numbers, and it may
Not a matter of numbers. If yung mga iba, yung mga senator, maski na anong iboto nila, uh, we will go, I mean, the prosecution will get to the Supreme Court. Because the Supreme Court, in the system of checks and balances, has the power to determine whether or not there has been a grave abuse of discretion amounting to lack or excess of jurisdiction on the part of any branch or instrumentality of the government.
Nako!
Instant
Dami
party.
cheese.
Buti na lang may UFC pamisanghang. Ibuhos mo na.
Kahit paano pala gawin mo dyan?
Spaghetti tinaas. Spaghetti.
Kakatigan ng
Attorney,
korte
can
yan
we
pag
say
nilapit
that
na
this
sa
is a
korte.
delaying tactic?
Well, maybe it's a delaying tactic because they think that the 20th Congress cannot proceed anymore. In other words, that the impeachment case dies with the 19th Congress. They are wrong. They are wrong. The Senate is really a continuing body, and the case must be finished, must be the trial must be conducted, and the Senate must act on the impeachment charges.
Attorney Monsod, when it comes to the Supreme Court, you know, being the arbiter of the Constitution, vis-a-vis, no, some senators saying that this is all within Senate rules, that it would be up to the Senate. There are some legal opinions that, you know, hindi makikialam yung Supreme Court. What are your thoughts on that? Will the Supreme Court actually step in?
You cannot talk sense to people who don't study, right? And to me, they must look at it this way.
Yan ah. Bakit mo pa paniwalaan ng Chis Escudero o Bato de la Rosa? Kung nandito naman itong tao ito na nag-aral, ayan o. Diba? Attorney Monsod. Okay? Baka lalo sila mapahiya dyan pag pinakailaman ng korte yan, ng Supreme Court. Kaya nang hindi tayo magkahiyaan, Jesus Escudero, basahin mo na yung article of impeachment. Huwag mo nang paabuti ng July 11, June 11, o August 11 man yan. O taragis ka, basahin mo na at nang magsimula na, magkaalaman na, bloodbath.
Yung impeachment, yung Article 11 of the Constitution on impeachment process for specific government officials, that those are protections for the people. Now, the sovereignty resides in
Hindi
the
naman
people.
kasi ang gusto kasi nila, attorney, is that is protection of the Dutertes, not Filipinos. Ha? Ginagawa nila yan para maprotektahan ng mga Dutertes nang hindi mapatay ang kanilang mga political career. Kasi nanganganib once na malaglag talaga yan si Sara Duterte, tapos ang laban, tapos ang political career ng mga Duterte. Hanggang Davao na lang talaga. Lang o. Ayun ako. Mag-aaral din kasi kayo minsan. Hindi man ako napag-aaral, pero mag-aaral kayo kasi senador kayo eh. Basta na ako naging senador, congressman. Mag-aaralan ko yan. Hayaan nyo, tatakbo tayo. Sige na.